Welcome the our channel. Today we how to invest in American Express Company, full guide step by step clearly. To invest in American Express Company, start by researching the company to understand its business model and financial health. Visit the official American Express website to gather information about its services, history, and market position. Review recent financial reports, including quarterly earnings and annual filings, to assess profitability and growth potential. Identify key financial metrics such as revenue, net income, and earnings per share to evaluate the company's performance. Next, analyze industry trends that might affect American Express, including consumer spending and credit market conditions. Decide on the amount of money you would like to invest, taking into consideration your financial situation and investment goals. Choose a brokerage platform that allows you to buy shares of American Express. Set up an account by providing necessary documentation, including identification and financial information. Fund your brokerage account by linking a bank account or transferring funds from another investment account. Look up the stock ticker symbol for American Express, which is American Express, to find it on your brokerage platform. Evaluate the current stock price and determine whether to buy shares at the current market rate or set a limit order for a specific price. Place your order for the number of shares you wish to purchase. Once your order is executed, monitor your investment to track its performance over time. Stay informed by following news related to American Express and the broader financial market. Consider setting up alerts for significant price changes or important company announcements. Review your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your long-term financial goals. Finally, be prepared to hold your investment for the long term, as markets can fluctuate in the short term. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.